Yes. Hello. Good morning. You're welcome to Forex. And this is where we make the world of trading easy for you. We are live. Yes, we are back with the live trading sessions. Those that are just joining us, share the live to your friends, notify them that we are live. It's going to be a very interesting session. Yep, we are going to be live every day, so you just have to stay tuned. We are going to be on London session, so yeah, stay tuned. We are on. Yes, so we are looking at some pairs that we normally use to trade. That is British pound, Japanese yen, and GBP USD. Those are our pairs. So yep, you should add them on your watch list. We are on so you can also comment the pairs that you would love to trade. Those that want to share their chats, you can join our Telegram group and share the link. We can also look at your chats. All you have to do is click on this, copy the link. If you're on phone, make sure you go to this part and then you add the desktop version. You'll be able to get this thing, and you copy the link and you share it in the Telegram group. I'll be able to see it. We can also view your chats. So we are going to be looking at GBP USD and GBP Japanese yen. Those ones are going to be our pairs, our main pairs that we normally trade here. They are the ones on my watch list. Yeah. If you're just joining up, don't forget to tap on that like button and share the live to your friends. You can also come and enjoy this live trading session. We have the live analysis. The entry points will always be provided, so you just have to sit in and wait, put in the patience, and get some pips together. I hope I'm loud and clear. People in the comment section, please let me know if you're getting me very well. Is my mic going on well? Oh, I should adjust. Yes, Joseph, you're welcome to the stream. You can can see you. Mustafa Universe, good morning. Yeah, man. So let's get started. We are gonna be looking at GBP USD at first. Let's get some analysis and see what we should expect today, what we are going to be looking at. So in today's trade, we're seeing that the general trend is downtrend. Having this downtrend, I'm on 30 minutes. So I'm going to be identifying my trading zones where I'm expecting some magic to happen. I think I'll mark this zone here. I'll be marking this zone here. It's a very important zone. I'll also mark out that one. I think if we are to sell today, we shall be getting the sales around this zone. I want to have the sales around this zone, so we want the market to be trading below this zone in order to get some sales. So I'll be looking at that zone, and this would be my take profit one. That one will be my take profit one, and if we break that zone, we shall be expecting more sales. And would love to get the buys when they are breaking off this zone. If they break off that zone, then we shall be looking for some good buys above that zone. There we shall be having some long-term buys up there, and if you're to look left, we shall have very nice movement. If we are to continue up, our take profit is going to be way up here, so we shall be collecting this move. I think this was NFP, so if we are to go up, we shall be able to correct all those pips. How many pips are we having there? We are having like 67 pips. So if the market is to come to that zone, that would be a very good thing for us. And if the market is continuing sales, this would be our take profit one around that zone. If you are to go further to look for our take profit two, we still have some nice clean traffic left up to this zone. So yeah, those that like to hold, we also have a beautiful range on sales. So if the market comes in those zones, we shall be having a good day. But if it's to stay around here, we shall be having a bad day. We might have a consolidation day. If the market stays in this range, we might have a consolidation. So that's one way how we shall be avoiding these days that are consolidating. If we first identify the zones, after identifying the zones, you'll be able to determine that today it's going to be a good day or today is going to be a bad day. hope I'm loud and clear. Is my mic okay? Can someone let me know in the comment section if I'm loud and clear? People in the private group, are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, you're welcome to the session.
Okay, let's bring some money.
Let's make some money. Hope we can get some pips today, like we did yesterday. So it will be more about being patient, waiting for our market to come our way. We're not supposed to force it. So if it doesn't come in these zones here, we shall just have to see it. But you have to wait and see if the market can break and come into those zones. We can see if we are able to get some entries. Yep. If we can break below this zone here, we shall be having some sales, and then the buyers would love to see them breaking above this zone. See if we can continue. I'm not seeing the people's comments. I don't know if I'm okay, or there is something missing. The stream is missing something. Yeah, please let me know. Let me know. Those that are just joining us, please tap on the like button, share the live to your friends, So that would be our GBP USD. That would be our analysis. So I'm gonna be setting some alerts here on this zone, such that we don't miss out in case we are doing something else. So we shall be putting some alerts here on this level here. We would love to see the market breaking here, and then we shall also put some alerts here if the market comes there to get our buys. That is our GBP USD. Yeah, we shall also be checking GJ, that is British pound, Japanese yen. We shall also be doing the same thing. I'm on 30 minutes, so I'll come and I identify this zone as my support level, and I'll also have that as my resistance. As simple as that. We shall also come and identify that support. We shall also identify that one. We shall be having our sales below this zone. Shall be having sales below that zone, and we are going to be having our buys above, such that if we remain in this zone, if the market continues moving in this zone, we might have a consolidation, because if the market is consolidating, the market is going to be moving at support, comes back to resistance, support, comes back to resistance, moves at support. So if it doesn't break above, we shall not be trading, we shall just be looking at it. So would love to see the market coming our way. We shall have our sales below here, and the sales are to happen. That one will be our TP1, and this one will be our TP2. That is for the sell, and then for the buys we shall also come and do the same thing. That level there will be our TP1. So we have created for everyone. We have created for both the sells and the buys at the same time. So I'll come and highlight. Would love to see the market trading below this zone here, and for the sells, and if it is to buy, would love to see the market trending above that zone. So basically that's our setup for the day. If the market is to sell, we shall sell with it. If it's to buy, we shall also buy with it. We just have to wait for the market to come our way, and we shall continue with it. Yes. Are we all together? So we are on GBP, JPY, 30 minutes. Those that are asking about the time frame, we are trading on 30 minutes for the start. If you have any question, you can pause it, you can bring it out. We say that if you have a chart and you'd love us to look at it, you can share the link in the Telegram group. We shall be able to look at it. So if you have any pair that you want us to look at, share the link to our Telegram group. So this is what we are waiting for today, and we shall also set some alerts on those levels such that we get notified in case the market reaches there. London session has just started. I think we are like 26 minutes in the London session. We are expecting some volume to come in. We're having this. So London session is on. We also have this Tokyo session. I think it is going to be ending at around 12. So around this time, we're expecting some volume. The market should be able to move. So yeah, if you're choosing the best time to trade, it should be around when you're having two sessions active, like we're having this Tokyo session and the London session being active at that time. So even in the New York session, later in the day, in the evening, when people already say that New York session has volume. Why does it have volume? Because at the time we shall be having these two sessions active. We shall be having the London session active and the New York session active. So we shall be active during the time. So we shall be looking at this period here. We shall be trading between 10 when the London session has started, and I think we shall be ending the stream at around 12 when the Tokyo session has ended. Then there we shall be having only one session active, so we might be having less volume until like 3 or 4 p.m. when we are having the New York session opening, there we shall be having the two session active. So if you're having those two sessions active, you'll be able to get a volume on the what? On the charts. So basically those are the best times to trade. Even when you have to wake up early in the morning and you feel like you want to trade the torture session early in the morning, like at 3 a.m., you should look at that time when you're having the two sessions active. You'll be looking at the Sydney session and the torture session. So you normally look at those pairs that are in those sessions. You look at Sydney session, how many countries are there. So in the Sydney session, you'll be having the New Zealand dollar. You also have the Australian dollar. So then you compare it to the torture session. In the torture session, we only have Japanese yen. So you can wake up early in the morning as long as something is during that time. You can trade like USD JPY because of the torture session. You can trade like Australian dollar, Japanese yen. When you're comparing both sessions, you'll have some volume in the chart during that time. You can also look at New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen during that time. It will also be able to give you some volume because you're in its active session. So we are also for us, we are going to be looking at this period, this time here. Why we are having the London session and the torture session active. In the London session, how many currencies are there? We have the euro, we have the Swiss francs, we have the British pound. So during this time, we are going to be looking at British pound from the London session and the Japanese yen from the London session. Let's comparing those two because they're having their sessions active at that time. Then we shall also add on GBP USD. These two, we have the British pound and the US dollar and the British pound and the Japanese yen. So basically those are our pairs during this time. So this is our analysis for the day. Those are just joining us. We are looking on we are looking at the 30 minutes. We say that the entries are going to be provided and the analysis is going to be also live here. So you just have to put in the patience and wait for us. If we are to enter, you always find something like this. We shall have this for the buys and we shall have this for the sales. So if you don't find it there, just know we're not yet in. So those are our pairs. We have to put some alerts to inform us So we need to be above this zone here to get the buys, huh? And for us to get the sales, we want to be we need to be below that zone. If the market breaks here, we shall have the market creating new highs. So if the market creates new highs, what does that mean? We shall be able to continue with the uptrend. That's why we're having the buys here. And if you are to have the sales, the market is going to break this zone, and if the market breaks that zone, we shall be expecting a reversal for the sales. So that's why we're having those zones there. But if the market stays in that zone, it might be like some bit of consolidation. It can be like some bit of consolidation. So for us to avoid being caught in the same zone over and over again, we have to wait until the market comes out of those zones. That's why we're having our sales for this zone, and then we have the buys above that zone. So if you have any question, you can pause it out, you can bring it out, and we look at it. If you have your chats, we have our link of Telegram. You can share it out. We can also look at it. You can also suggest any pairs you'd love us to look at in the meantime as the market is moving. Yeah, so for the meantime, I wanted to do some back testing as we wait for the market. As the market is moving, as we are waiting for it to come our way. Yep. Yes, if you're just joining in, you're welcome to our live stream. This is where we make the world of trading easy for you. So you just have to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell in case we go live or post anything, and you don't miss out. Yeah. So I want to do some back testing here and see how things go here, how we run up things here. Just want to go to some random date here. Just any random date. You can also suggest a date you'd love us to backtest. You can suggest any date, anytime. You can bring out, you can suggest a date you'd love us to look at. I'm waiting in the comment section. People in the private live trading, are you good?
Yeah, we are good. How about you look at last month?
Want us to look at last month?
Yeah,
Last month.
beginning of last month.
Beginning of last month, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. beginning of last month. That is May.
Yeah, May.
May. Okay, that's people on YouTube. Is it okay? Should we look at May? Should we look at May, or you can also bring up your suggestions of any date? So if you look at fundamentals today, as I'm waiting on your suggestions in the comment section, you can suggest a date you'd love us to backtest. Today is 11th June. At 9 we had some news on GBP. And I think it came out less than expected, and that's bad for the currency. If you were to compare the previous figures, this and that is bad for the currency. Then if you continue to our London session up to like 12 p.m, we don't have any other high impact news, so we shouldn't expect any abrupt moves on our pairs, and that is good for us. If you to continue to the New York session, do we have any red folder? I'm not seeing any red folder, so I think the rest of the day would be no more price action. We shall not be expecting anything abrupt. Okay. So I wanted to share with you some stuff. Wanted to look through some charts together here, and you see how we do it. Those who have been watching my shorts videos on YouTube, so I wanted to show you just something interesting here. Maybe you can learn something as we wait for the market to come our way. Those who are just joining us, please don't forget to like the live. So I think we shall go with the previous months, because I'm not seeing people suggesting their dates they would love to look at. So let me just go with the previous month. Previous month, I think I'll look at GBPJPY. I'll look at GBPJPY. That's what we shall be looking at. Okay, so the previous month, we shall go to select date, and then that is May. Okay, May started on a Wednesday. Yep. So right now we are back in May. We want to see how many entries did we get in May. How many entries did we miss out in May? How did it go in May? Was it a good day or a bad day or a bad month? Let us see how many setups you get. Let us see how many DPs we take. Let us see how many stop losses we can hit. Okay. We are going to be back testing British pound, Japanese yen. The month of May. Don't so Forex it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Ari, are you good? You're very quiet today. Uganda baba kubye.
By the way, bakubye. Anyway, banyumiddwa. Yeah.
It was 2-1.
What? Ekyo support yabadde nnungi.
Okay. So you're looking at the British pound, eh? Japanese yen. I want to go to the London session. You want to go to the London session. So London session might start at what time? At 10. So I want to move and I go up to 10. That's when our session is starting. Our session is starting at 10. Okay. So like the way we have done, I'll come on and I do the same thing. I want to be trading above those zones. I want to get some buys above here. And our take profit would be around here up. That would be a very good trade if it breaks above here. And then if we are to sell, we shall get our take profit around that zone there. So we shall do the same thing. Got some buys above there and get some sales. Some sales below that zone there. Boom. Yep. So at around 11:30, we are seeing the market is breaking and coming in our zone for the buys. So here, after seeing that, after the market breaking in there, I want to come to 5 minutes. See the structure which is on or 1